In this video, we'll show you how to make some easy DIY stress balls. Here's what you'll need. All-purpose flour. An empty bottle. And a balloon. First, take a piece of paper and fold it like so to create a funnel. Pour about half a cup of flour into your empty bottle. Gently squeeze the bottom of the funnel to help the flour along. Next, take your balloon and blow it up with some air. Pinching the balloon to keep the air in, wrap the end of the balloon over your bottle. Now turn the bottle upside down and start shaking the flour into the balloon. Once all the flour is in the balloon, remove the balloon from the bottle. Slowly let as much air out as possible. Then tie off the end of the balloon. You can use a permanent marker to draw and decorate your new stress ball. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.